Postal chaos is plaguing thousands living in the north and west of the capital. Complaints of delivery errors and lazy postmen have been received after the private company TNT took over parts of the Royal Mail service. Alex Beard is here to tell us more. So, Alex, when did this all start?
Well, TNT started to deliver to parts of West London back in April 2012. That has grown. They now probably deliver to about 100,000 homes. They deal with the more kind of corporate posts, so, you know, banks, NHS and things like that. So all the things that are boring but really important that you get. And now we're getting some reports, especially from the Mill Hill area and Harrow, that they're not getting their mail. Their mail's coming incredibly late. One person reported that they received all the mail for their entire street, so it was left to them to deliver that to all of the people who they live on the same road as. There is a bit of a crossover here, obviously, because it is normally a Royal Mail service. Now this privatised company are taking on aspects of that service. There was quite a well-publicised case where Harrow Council had to spend £13,000 writing apology letters to people in their constituency after 24,000 people didn't get their tax bill, and therefore they didn't pay it. But it turned out that there was a, as they call it, TNT call it, a miscommunication and a clerical error, and they didn't receive them. Some reports said that there was some of those letters were found in bushes around Brent. But I mean, it's slightly uncomfortable reading, but of course TNT have come out fighting. They've said that we are disappointed that a number of letters were not properly delivered and that they're investigating this and will take strict enforcement measures.
Sure. Again, yeah, it's accusations and sort of allegations, isn't it, levelled at TNT. Do you think there's an element that the Royal Mail potentially might have to answer for in terms of their privatisation with sort of outsourcing and looking to cut costs by finding ways, I guess, to get around sort of paying extra for mail services?
Well, I mean, this is going to carry on. There's going to be, the plan is for TNT to cover about 40% of homes across the country. There is, I think the Post Office have said this, that they're in charge of what they call the redelivery service. So if you move home and you can't get through to everyone to say that you've changed address, you can pay the Royal Mail to have your mail redirected. Now, if TNT look after your area, that information, it seems, isn't being matched up at the moment. So lots of people who've paid for this service are saying, I'm not getting my mail from anywhere. Where's it going? So TNT have said that, you know, they're hoping that that communication and sharing redirection data with the Royal Mail should hopefully happen very soon. So maybe an improvement on the horizon.
Sure. Alex, thank you very much indeed for that.